Italy is a country where history, art, culture, and breathtaking landscapes blend together to create one of the most enchanting destinations in the world. From the ancient ruins of Rome to the romantic canals of Venice, from the rolling hills of Tuscany to the vibrant streets of Naples, Italy is a journey through time, beauty, and emotions. Rome is more than a capital. It is an open-air museum. Walking through its streets, you'll find the Colosseum standing proudly as a symbol of gladiators and emperors, the Roman Forum telling tales of power and politics, and the Vatican City shining with spirituality and art. St. Peter's Basilica and the Sistine Chapel, with Michelangelo's breathtaking frescoes, are living proof of human genius. Florence is where art came to life. This city gave the world Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, and Botticelli. Its heart, the Piazza del Duomo, is home to the Cathedral of Santa Maria del Fiore, with its iconic red dome. Every corner of Florence is filled with masterpieces, from museums like the Uffizi Gallery to the sculptures on the streets. Venice is pure magic. A city built on water where gondolas glide through canals and bridges connect timeless palaces. St. Mark's Square, with its basilica and Doge's Palace, is a place where history and charm meet. Venice at sunset is a dream painted in gold and reflection. Milan is a city of contrasts. Modern skyscrapers rise alongside Gothic architecture. The Duomo Cathedral, with its thousands of spires, is one of the most spectacular churches in the world. Milan is also the heart of fashion, design, and innovation, yet it preserves its deep cultural soul. Naples is energy, life, and taste. It's the birthplace of pizza, where food is not just a meal but an expression of love. Just nearby, Mount Vesuvius towers over the city, and the ancient ruins of Pompeii reveal stories frozen in time. Tuscany is the soul of Italy. Endless vineyards, olive groves, and golden fields stretch as far as the eye can see. Medieval towns like Siena and San Gimignano rise like jewels in this landscape. It's a land of simple pleasures, good wine, good food, and unforgettable sunsets. Northern Italy offers the serene beauty of Lake Como and Lake Garda, where mountains meet crystal waters. To the south, Sicily and Sardinia shine with their unique cultures, pristine beaches, and ancient traditions. Italy is not just a destination, it's a feeling. It's the taste of gelato on a summer evening, the sound of church bells echoing through ancient streets, the touch of marble statues, the smell of fresh pasta, and the sight of breathtaking landscapes that never leave your memory.